Hi everyone, welcome to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to do something a little different. Sarah Mack with Sarah Mack Art does ninja swipes, and that's what I'm going to attempt today. I've done one before. You can look back in my probably a year and a half ago. But this one is going to be a flower garden, and I think she has 3 or 4 of them on her site. I will put her link in the description. Make sure you check her out. She's awesome. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to do something a little different than what she does. I'm going to do a dry swipe, tacky swipe. I'm going to go ahead and paint like a sky and some greenery down here, and then I'm going to put my puddles to do the ninja swipe at the bottom, going up, and at the end, after it dries, I'm going to do a little something. So stay tuned. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and paint this. I know she usually has a flood coat on, but I'm just going to paint it and not put a flood coat. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the green. I'm going to do some white here. Blue. These are leftover colors, except for the green. The green I'm using is the Liquitex. What is it? I can't even pronounce that. It's a green. Here it is. And the other colors is just leftover paints, which I have to use up. So that's what I'm doing. This is a what size is this? I think this is a 16. Dang it, I ought to know that. This is a 12 by 12 gallery wrap canvas. It's a pour over canvas. Okay, the paint is still tacky. Now I'm doing this in my bloom pool because when I do ninja swipes it goes everywhere, and I have some things drying over here. So I thought, well, why not do it in the pool? That way I don't mess things up. I have a cold, by the way, you can probably tell. And I know a lot of you can't wait till spring, especially in California with all the rain. Hopefully it'll stop because that's ridiculous. So I wanted to show you the consistency. It definitely leaves a mound, but it does sink in. I think this is maybe a little too thick. Maybe another one will be a better choice to show you. Yeah, you can see that. So it's not very thin, but it's not thick. It's in between. So let me go over the colors real quick. This first color is a pretty green. This is Olive Green Light by Amsterdam, and I mixed some. What I mixed? Some golden green gold to get this pretty color. The next color is Basics Cadmium Yellow Light Hue. Next one is Liquitex Disoxazine Purple. Say that twice. And then we have PBO Rouge Blue Iridescent. I don't know why they call it. I guess there's just a tad of a hue of blue. And then we have Chroma Molten Metals Aged Bronze, and I put a little bit of black in there to darken it up a bit. I have no idea what this color is. Leftover paint. I have this red. This is Golden Primary Magenta. And I mixed in, if you want a really red paint, this is translucent red resin dye, super red. I use that for my volcanoes, of course. And then the green is Handy Art acrylic phthalo green. So those are the colors. I have a lot of them. So let's get going. Hopefully this works. It's a little nerve-wracking because, well, because ninja swipes are, especially if you never do them. I haven't practiced doing this. I have a couple. I might swipe with the spoon. I don't know. So let me get some puddles down and we will get going. I think I'm going to put the greens first. Oh, I want very big puddles. Like I said, I don't know if Sarah's done a dry. Well, this is a tacky swipe, but if it was dry, I'd be doing it too. It's just that I don't want to wait for it to dry. You know what? I hope that's not a mistake. So I have no idea. Just crossing my fingers here. Okay, I have my puddles down. I'm going to use a spoon. It's scary. Oh, that didn't work out too good. Oh, that didn't either. Maybe I got to do it. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, that's sort of a mess. But I'm going with it. Can't flick it like that. So I don't want to do any more, I don't think, right there. We'll see how that goes. I want to do a little bit here. Gotta get down without scraping it a whole lot. Oops. There. Okay. I'm not sure I want to use the brown. If I do, it's going to be very, very little here. Oop. Yeah, I'm glad I got the paper up here, because it would have flown right out of this pool. I can't worry about what I'm going to do with it after until I get done, because I know it's a mess right now. Okay, very abstract. Not sure I can make flowers out of these. This is thick paint, so I'm not sure how I can see it's not blowing very well. Changed the end to my blower, so I'm going to put some more paint down in certain areas. Okay, I'm just putting dots along some of these lines, and it's really hard to see, but I'm dipping a little stick in the paint that I used, and I'm just making dots. Now, when you make dots, if you do it when it's dry, I think I like it best when it's dry, so that you sort of stay where they're at, and when they dry you'll have a little texture to it. So I'm just going to fiddle with this, doing different things. It's still not all the way dry, so I'm going to let this sit overnight, and then I'm going to come back and do some brush work or dot work on it. So I will be back tomorrow. Alright, let's take a look. This is my Embellished Ninja Garden. I like how it turned out. So if you're not happy with something, keep working on it. Embellish it. Use the dots. Thanks so much for watching. Please shop my Amazon shop for some of the tools that I use. Paints and all kinds of different supplies. Aloha! Thanks for watching. Bye.